Los Alamitos, I believe, might be leading the way when other cities who may have been hesitant now may be willing to join them and say, we are not anti-immigrant. We believe in the rule of law.
That was Fresno Sheriff Margaret Mims on our show the other night. We're on this first. After Los Alamitos voted to opt out of California's sanctuary policies, other cities in the state we're hearing could be following suit. They could be doing the same thing. Potentially all of Orange County. Also the towns of Aliso Viejo and Buena Park. That's what we're hearing. Joining me now, the mayor of Los Alamitos, California. He's Troy Edgar. Good to see you, Your Honor. You talked about this, too, a chain reaction. What do you think?
Well, good evening. I'm really excited. I've been completely thrilled with the outpouring of all the city council members and mayors across the state that been communicating, saying they were waiting for somebody to come out and do this. And so we've been reaching out, and I was very excited to hear about Buena Park and Aliso Viejo, and our local county supervisor has stepped out there, and I think Michelle Steele, she'll lead the charge and help get the county on board with our sheriff.
Mayor, why are you excited?
You know what? Such an overreach by the state. This is a rule of law issue for us. We swore an oath to defend the Constitution of the United States. I'm a U.S. Navy veteran, and first and foremost, from a constitutional perspective, I have no reason I can understand why the state would step in and want to take over immigration, which is clearly a job of the federal government.
Did you at all expect these other cities and the whole county of Orange County might follow suit in what you guys did?
You know what? A lot of people keep asking me to name cities and talk about who I'm talking to, but there's been, the Les Mis, can you hear the people sing? And I'm asking Sacramento, I hope you can hear the people sing, because there is a lot of people out there that have just been waiting. And, this will be a test case, but I also got to stay focused that in 30 days I got another vote. I've got to get it through the second time and keep the 4 people on board with me.
Mayor, let's talk about what happened with the Oakland Democrat mayor tipping off the public, including criminal illegals, about coming federal ICE raids. Now, 3 illegal immigrants who dodged that California federal ICE raid, basically they've been rearrested. And Mayor, here's their rap sheet. It's pretty long. The 3 have either been arrested on robbery, gun crimes, spousal battery, driving under the influence, drug possession, hit and run, possession of narcotic equipment, and false imprisonment. They could be re-released, though. So, I mean, how can any mayor justify this?
Basically, she can. It's amazing to me how irresponsible that is. I was listening to some of her testimony and why she rationalized being able to do that, basically saying that it was her moral duty to do that. And, my moral duty is to my residents, to my folks that are in my city that are actually, people that vote, that are U.S. citizens. And, and I'm 100% for immigration. This is not about immigration, but this is about the rule of law. And, if the mayor of a city is not going to step up and try and keep their people safe, then what about all the people that those people affect? That's the people that we were elected to protect.
Mayor, it has gotten so bad that now the chief border patrol agent in the San Diego sector, he's now saying federal agents are refusing to turn over criminal illegal felons to the state of California because they're afraid California will release them back into the public due to its sanctuary laws. Is that any way to run things?
No, it's not. But, a lot of people ask me, too, as being a mayor of a little city, why do we get involved? And, and why do we take this issue on? Is because every city council member, county supervisor, we need to provide clarity to our staff. And there's no different, when the Border Patrol gets involved with something like this and they can't work with local law enforcement, it shows you the system's broke. And we need to take care of the people that have elected us for office. And, the real people come to us day to day. They're not able to talk directly to Border Patrol and thank them for what they do. And clearly, Mayor Schaaf is completely out of touch with her residents.
Mayor Troy Edgar of Los Alamitos starting a chain reaction in California. Come back in the show. We love having you on, sir.